Hello friends, welcome back. So today in this lecture, we'll be learning how to do entries related to e-way bill. So what is e-way bill? E-way bill is basically an electronically generated document that is required to be furnished for the movement of goods of more than value of rupees 50,000 from one place to another place. So this document is required to be generated online for transportation of goods, irrespective of whether such transportation is interstate or intrastate. So under the GST regime, as per the government norms, generation of the e-way bill is compulsory as dated from 1st February 2018 and it is till now in force. So we'll select the features and process how to do the entries relating to e-way bill and how to generate it. So for that, I'm creating a fresh company over here. Go here to your Alt K and create a company with me under the name of Rahul Garments. I'm creating here a new company. I'm giving here the address. Select here your state. Then you can give here your PIN code, your telephone number, your mobile number, your fax, email ID, and the website, and select here the period and then accept the screen. So this is how you can create your company. Now for the features option, first of all, go to taxation features, select here set enable GST to yes. Now after selecting this, you have to set or alter GST details to yes. Then in this, take it as taxable and you can provide here the details, but we will not provide here the details. Rather, what we'll do is we'll select here e-way bill applicable to yes. And when we do give e-way bill applicable to yes, this will be applicable from 1st April 2021 for this financial year. And threshold limit for vouchers will be on the invoice value, that is threshold limit is 50,000. If the invoice value is above 50,000, then the e-way bill is mandatory to furnish. Is this clear for you? So is this applicable for intrastate as well? Yes, this is applicable for intrastate as well, and the threshold limit is same. Now e-invoicing is applicable or no? For now, I am taking it as no and select the screen by pressing Ctrl A. Is this clear? First of all, you have to set the features very carefully because this plays a very vital role in your vouchers and in your company. So now, after that, we'll create some of the ledgers. I'm creating here Amba Cargo Services. All right, I'll take it under sundry creditors. Now maintain bill by bill to yes. You can give here the address of Amba Cargo Services. Then set or alter GST details to yes. Give here the take it as unregistered tempo service or cargo service party. Now is a transporter. Is this a transporter? Give here yes, this is a transporter. Now you can give here the transporter ID, enter and select the screen. So this is how you can create the details, enter the details of transporter that is regularly engaged by the company. So details of transporter needs to be specified while creating the e-way bill. That's why we had created the ledger of that particular transporter. Now the next what we need to do is we'll purchase some of the material, some of the item from our one party. So for that, what we'll do is we'll go to vouchers. Now select here my purchase voucher. I'm giving the supplier invoice number. I'm creating here my one party as Veronica Limited, and this will be under sundry creditors. Select here all the details, give here the GSTIN number. I'm giving the GSTIN number and accept the screen. I'm accepting the receipt details and party details. Now here I'm changing this mode to item mode. So for this, I'm taking it as item invoice. Now press enter, select the name of item. I'm creating one item over here, like I'm creating garments, and I'm creating the units as well, numbers, specify here the unit code, numbers, decimal places 0. Is set or alter GST details to yes. Give here the rate of tax, that is taxable, and now you can give here the tax rate as 5% and accept it. Select your goods and accept the screen. So I am taking here quantity 100 numbers at the rate of 1000 each, and here you can select the details of purchase account. So create here purchase account under purchases. As this is our new company, so we need to create each and everything. This belongs to goods. Press Ctrl A, enter, go to Ctrl I, select Veronica Limited, and you can see your GST details. First of all, I have to alter my GST details, and here I'm setting this yes, it's taxable at 5% and accept the screen. Is this clear? Now go to Control I, Veronica Limited. You can post here CGST and SGST, but first of all, create here the account of CGST account under duties and taxes, GST, central tax, and accept the screen. Is this clear? So CGST amount you have to enter over here, that is your 2500, and now SGST you have to take SGST account under duties and taxes, GST, state tax, and Control A, it's again 2500. So is this clear? This is our new reference. Now I have to change the date first of all. F2 1/4/2020. Now is this clear? Give here your invoice number, Veronica Limited. Accept the screens. Take comments. Quantity is 100. Rate is 1000. And now take here your purchase account. After that, Control I, Veronica Limited, and then go to GST tax analysis. Press Alt F1. Tax rate or tax type not specified over here. So what you will do is you have to go back, alter your ledger of party first of all. Select here. You had selected yes. Now this is your regular dealer, party type not acceptable. Now this is done. Now again go to vouchers, give the supplier invoice number, Veronica Limited, select it, name of the items 100, 1000. After that, select your purchase account, CGST account, that is 2500 rupees. Now your SGST amount is again 2500 rupees. Then provide GST or e-way bill details? No, here we will not provide the GST details, e-way bill details. So accept it and it's done. Now recording the sales with information of e-way bill. For that, what we need to do, press F8 first of all. Select here your party name, or you can select cash as well. I'm selecting cash in this voucher. Select it. Now the name of the item is garments. Now select here the quantity. I'm selecting 50 numbers at the rate of 670 each, or 50 numbers at the rate 1200 each. I'm taking. Now take it, and then I'm taking it to sales account. Under sales, GST is applicable and it's taxable. We had selected, we had already described the rate. Enter and accept the screen. So now here I'll create one more account of IGST tax that will be under duties and taxes, GST, integrated tax, and accept the screen. So IGST will be 7,200 over here. So now if you want to provide the e-way bill, so this bill is above 50,000. So this will give me the e-way bill and it is mandatory. If I say it to no, then it will show me the message that you need to furnish, you need to provide the e-way bill. So I'm pressing here yes, and this is asking me the details of e-way bill number, date, supply, document type, that is bill of entry, bill of supply, or this is your delivery challan, others, or tax invoice. So I'm taking it as tax invoice. Rahul Garments, address. Now address line 2, you can give here East Delhi, and then the place is again Delhi. Pin code. Now your state, consignee is cash, or if you had done any of the other name, it will be shown over here. Now it's Delhi. Now address, ship to where it's going. It's H10 Krishna Nagar, Nagar Vijay Chowk. All right, I'm writing some of the random address. It's Delhi 110051. And then distance in kilometer. So you have to enter here the distance 678. Now transporter name, it's Amba, and transporter ID, it will pick automatically. I am providing here DL3C N7707 as the vehicle number name. It's regular, your document or lading number, and the date. So enter and accept the screen. It is showing me tax amount does not match the value as we had entered it by our hand. So now you have to enter and accept it. Is this clear to you? How we can add all the e-way bill details. Now you can go to GST reports, GST related reports, and you can check the e-way bill over here. So you can export for e-way bill. Now here the HSN code is mismatched. Information required for e-way bill not provided. I am just accepting all the details and I'll furnish the detail over this. So skip validation by all tests and accept. I'm clicking back. Now here, enter and accept it. Now this is how you can furnish all the details related to your e-way bill, and you can provide e-way bill as well. For more e-way bill on government portal, if you want to learn about the e-way bill on government portal, I have created a separate course for the e-way bill particularly. You can go through that, and I have discussed each and every part in that particular.